All right, let's dive into the tiny computers that are secretly all around us.
Sounds like a weird question, right? But believe it or not, they share a secret.
Exactly. Think about it. Your microwave, your car, they've all got tiny computers inside. We call this an embedded system. It's basically a computer with just one job to do. And the brain of that system? It's a tiny little chip called a microcontroller. Now, you've probably heard of microprocessors in your laptop. Let's see how these are different. A microcontroller is basically a whole computer system squished onto one single tiny chip. So it's got the brain, the memory, and ways to talk to the world, all in one package. But to do anything useful, it needs senses, right? It needs inputs from the real world. So it can feel a button press, see motion, measure distance, and even read RFID tags. Okay, so it can sense things, but the real magic is when it does something with that info. It can blink an LED, show a message on a screen, spin a motor, or even send a text. But all this hardware is just sitting there. It needs a script to follow, a list of instructions. And we give it those instructions with a program, often written in a language like C. And getting the program on there is simple. You write the code, compile it, then download it. Okay, so with all this, what can you actually build? The possibilities are pretty awesome. For example, you could control a light in your room, right from your smartphone. Or how about a secure lock that only opens with a special key card? You could build that. You could even make your own GPS tracker that reports its location from anywhere. And by mixing sensors and motors, you could build a smart robot that actually follows a light. And remember, all of this is run by just one tiny, powerful little chip. So these little brains are everywhere. Now that you know the secret, what are you going to build?